All right, so we're here, and I want to share with you guys a new strategy, new hedging strategy, um, that I've really been really working on, and it's so good. It is so good. I definitely recommend you practice this. You want to practice it and continue to do it, and then you're going to get used to all the nuances. Things like what to do now. You don't want to set pending orders. I no longer set pending orders for any hedge. Um, because and the close of the market, I have to go and reopen them again, um, so they don't get triggered. Like I have to watch that, and I can't. It's just too much time, spending too much time in front of the computer. So I came up with a new strategy that is so robust. It's crazy. I'm going to use an example here. This is Euro SEK. It's very simple. What you do is you want to take the spread here, because it's going to be, if you think about your usual setup was a 30 pip spread in the recovery zone. This one's going to 40. Okay, this is going to 40. So it's 10 pips bigger. Now, when you're using an exotic pair, your standard spread, you want to be like just 2 pips, right? This one's 22, 23. So what I did was I basically took the math. It was like it jumps from 23, 27. So what I did was I took 27 and divided it by 2. And then I multiplied that by 40. All right. So then the spread size becomes 540. So it'd be just like uh, something like that. It doesn't have to be like 100,000% exact or anything, but you want to be very close to it. As close as you can get. As close as you can get. And then, let's see if I can go from here to here. So I can kind of just give you an idea, okay? Just let's say this is our 40, but this is going to be our 540. All right, that means it's 270 on each half. Now, what I do is I set this up on my Noro. Neuros, it's called Neuros. Neuros, type in Noro RSI. Hold on. See, Neuro, type in Neuro or Neuros RSI. Okay. And you're going to come up with these things. All right. Then you want to take, when you get an alert, you want to take right on the middle. See first, um, that first alert? Now, if you get an immediate alert after that, move it down. Okay. It'll prevent you from getting like a false trigger. Now, these don't go past 2x. I mean, if you set this up properly, they just pretty much, if they move this far, they're going to continue going. Okay. Or they're going to give you enough to like, it's going to give you enough to make a little profit. What I do is I put a 20 pip trailing stop. So it's going to be 20 pip times whatever the half of the exotic spread is. Okay. So, um, basically, let's say price came in, there's right here, it pulled back like 200, right? Went up, triggered my buy stop, bounced or whatever. It took a day, went up here. I don't know, I can't scroll it, but just this is what they do. They go really far, right? 1,076. All right. When I'm entering, I'm in this trade. I'm usually on my 100,000 account. I'm at 2 lots. then my double would be 4 lots. Or sometimes I'll start at 3 lots, and my double will be 6 lots. Okay. This went 1,076. So, is this NOK or SEK? 1,076, right? On 2 lots, 2,038. I mean, if it was like one reverse on a double, right? Okay. So breakout, boom, boom, and I put a trailing stop. So now, normally my trailing stop, I did a 20 trailing. I might change that. So, but 20 trailing SL. Um, then you want to multiply whatever. Oops, spread is divided by 2 times that number. All right, and that'll give you your total spread size. I don't know. It's another way to do it, a roundabout way to do it, but that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm doing it right now. I gotta hurry up, get out of here. These are winners. I had closed some. Oh, I had to go, and I couldn't really watch it, but I had to close some. I just caught some quick ones this morning. Um, I think here. Whoops! I was trying to move this up. Um, quick ones this morning. Oh, these were something else, some other trades that I didn't want to do, but whatever. So look at this one. These were today. I got right out of it, but this one I grabbed and it was like, you know, I don't know, I don't know how many hours, a couple hours, whatever. And it was GBP Cat. GBP Cat continued after I closed it, but I'm going to show you that was a hedge, and that one's continuing. All right, so that was hedged here. See how the other side didn't even trigger, right? Okay, on this, because of what's going on with the triple, it's a triple indicator RSI that's combined into one little signal. Um, that if it goes past, it's pretty much going to keep going, right? Most times, right? And if it goes with it, it's going to keep going in that direction. So you don't have to worry about yourself hitting margin or anything like that. So I do start higher. Right now, um, it's at 34 pips. I would have moved my entry like right there and just let it do whatever. Sometimes they come back before they go anywhere. Like if you want to go far, usually it'll come back to here, go like negative 12 pips or somewhere in here, and then go way down. But so I mean, I put 12 and stop, or you can kind of feel it out, see what you want to do. But this one's headed down here actually. That's a target for GBP CAD, and that's generally. So this is what I'm going to be doing and talking about from now on, um, because I needed something. The other one was too busy. It got too crazy. It just I couldn't do it. I said, you know what? I can't drive and do this shit. I need to come up with something else that's a less crazy back and forth. So in a little larger pip spread, and we're using an indicator to guide our entries. Hit the like button if you like the strategy. If you want me to continue sharing this strategy, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section below. I will respond best I can to your questions. And like, share, subscribe. All right. I'm trying to see if I can reach out to more people. Um, After a while, I would say if it doesn't get past 1,000 subs, I'll probably shut the thing down and just move on to something else. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time with it if it's not reaching new people. I don't want to spend a lot of time with it. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.